How are you today?
So.
Bad? Why bad?
Because you're sick.
No, I'm not sick. I'm good today. So my presentation is not a really presentation. It's just a science experiment.
Wow.
It's help you. I think it's help you survive. So let's start with my presentation. So my presentation today will talk about how to get solar power with a magnifying glass. As you know my name, and know me as well. So my name is Luan. That is my full name. So before we start the presentation, I have one question for you. So have everybody know about a magnifying glass?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay. And I have a question that have you ever burned this paper without fire?
Yeah.
Why? What? I mean, that's how. How can?
Without fire.
Yeah.
Maybe you choose when the sun shines or the very hot weather and
We can.
really?
Yes, everybody.
No.
Okay. So and next, how to boil an egg without fire?
Electricity.
Yes, that's right. But it's that's expensive. It's really expensive.
No, it's
Cheap. Okay, if we have one egg or two eggs, it's easy. If we have 100 of eggs, how can?
100.
100 eggs?
Same.
No, it's not same. It will cost a lot of money. Electric bill.
That's okay, go move on.
So my presentation will show you how to burn a paper and how to boil an egg, or maybe you can burn this school. Yes.
Wow.
So before my presentation, I will show you about in overview. The first thing I want to tell you that about a magnifying glass structure. After that, I will tell you about a material. That means how you make, which one you need to make your magnifying glass. So, and finally, we have this is step by step how to make it. It is. So let's start with magnifying glass structure. As you know that the magnifying glass have just have everybody in here have you ever played with the magnifying glass?
Yeah.
So it's really easy. But the structure of the magnifying glass is have the focusing lens. This is I will tell you later. It has a concept. That means it looks like this mouse. It's not. I mean it's smooth. It's have roll like this, not like this. No.
Yeah.
The cone. It's called the cone. Ball.
Yes.
And it has a handle. In this.
Yes.
So if we just have to this the focusing lens and the concept, we have the loop. Look, it's not a magnifying glass. It's just a loop. Yes. So and I will show you exactly the real meaning of the focusing lens. On the left of my hand, we have the focusing lens. That means they focusing on the light. If the light through the lens, it will focus in one point. Yeah. Everybody follow me?
Yes.
And after that, beside that, we have one lens, another lens. Its function is dispersion the light. This means when the light comes through the lens, it will separate. It will separate. And today, my presentation will talk about focusing lens. So, everybody follow me?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Anyone? So, after I talk about the magnifying glass structure, I will tell you about the material that we need to use. The first one we need to repair is a big screen of television, the screws, and maybe some parts of wood. And about the television, I advise that we need to use that 50 or about 40 inch. It depends on you. And the wood, we need 10 bars, 6 bars long 61 centimeters, 4 bars long 111 centimeters, and 1 wood board. And we have some proof bolt. So remember that the TV screen is depend on your purpose. If you want magnify big, you can choose a big screen TV. So about the wood, you can use the steel plastic instead. So this is an important part. So pay your attention carefully. Here we go. So how to make a frame? I will show you how to make a frame first. This is 4 bars of 111 centimeter, and this is 4 bars of 61 centimeter, and we have 1 wood board, and 2 bars of 61 centimeter, and this is a cruise hole. Remember that we need to make it line. I will tell you later. So this is our finisher. And you can see that this is the 61 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, and this is a wood board. So remember for this step, 2 bars on your frame to make it stand. It must be bigger than 60 centimeters. And you can do it by your ways. Be careful, be creative. It depends on you. So have everybody's attention in what is the liquid crystal. Yes. I will tell you what is the liquid crystal. This is our television. This is the screen. And this is a layer of the screen. This is the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. And all we need is this layer. It's called liquid crystal. So, how to take it out? We have many ways to take it out. It depends on your television screen. I use the generally television screen that we have 4 screws and 3 layers of screen. We just need to spin out all the screws and take out the screen. It's like this. Take out the screen, and we have this is the key point, the liquid crystal. We will make the magnifier. So remember for this step, safety first. Empty safety first. And some television doesn't have screw, as I said. And you must be wearing gloves first. Why? Because when the breaking glass, it can be shaped, it can be cut your hand. So this is our mega magnifying glass. You see that? Everybody? So, ASA, we must to make this line because we need to put the liquid crystal in the frame. But that's why we need the lines in the middle of the wood bars. So, this is some wiring for use because the purpose of you use the magnifying glass. That is for something. You make something hot. You make fire. The first is very hot. Don't touch it anymore. Don't touch it. So, in my conclusion, I already said about magnifying glass structure. And a material, I advise you that use the wood instead the steel or plastic. And how to make it? You know how to make it? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, thank you for your attention.
Luan.